There's an all-new colour in the house from Puffco. We've got a brand new peak, a pivot, and a travel case in sapphire. And we're going to crack them open and take a look right now.
What's going on? Andreas from Vapefiend here, and like you just said, George, we've got new Puffco colours in the house.
Yeah, they are bringing out some cool colours, and I like this colour actually. Sapphire blue is, you know, I don't think we've seen a sort of baby blue in the new peak when it first came out.
Yes.
But I feel like this is a bit more grown up. This colour, there's something really nice about it. There's a, I don't know. Let's actually.
We did miss one quickly, the limey zest one.
Yes, and I think I hear there's a new Peak Pro coming out soon, which is apparently not just a new colour, but a whole new kind of limited edition device coming soon. So
really,
yeah, we're going to have to keep an eye out for that.
That's big news from the Puffco world.
Yeah, that's interesting. So definitely worth having a look for. But obviously, the Peak Pro is a step up in cost. And I am a big fan of the Peak, you know, since they did the upgrade to it like a couple of years ago or whatever. This is such a great device, you know, such a great thing for dabbing. Kind of almost the same as the Peak Pro, just with a bit of a smaller chamber. And just the look of it is very snazzy, and I love this colorway, don't you think? Like
it's absolutely beautiful, George. And like you said, it's an extremely popular device. I've got a friend that just recently went to Mary Jane Berlin, and he said all you were seeing left, right, and center was just new peaks.
Yeah, because it's a bit more like carryable. You can easily throw this in your bag. And then, of course, you've got the super portable option. You could have the whole set with the travel case and the pivot. Pivot goes in the travel case. You've got room for all your pots and different extracts.
Another great addition from Puffco, to be honest. This was a genius move when they added it for the pivot, because let's be honest, the pivot is still the best pen style dabbing device out there.
Yeah,
nothing
absolutely
compares to it, and the fact you're able to bring some glob mops, some concentrate stash in there is amazing.
Yeah, it even comes with a few Q-tips there, and yeah, you just slot the pivot in here.
Beautiful.
You could easily fit, your hot knife underneath the pivot. You could get like 3 little glass tubs of concentrate in there. Your dabber tool in the side maybe. Like, it is a really nice, solid metal case.
Wow, and it's beautiful in this blue color, honestly.
Yeah,
wow.
It really is good. And then the pivot as well. You know, Puffco seems to just go from strength to strength. The dabbing world is growing all the time.
All the time.
You know, people have been asking me, when is it going to happen that you can buy dabbing extracts on your prescription?
I was just about to mention this. That's incredible. And the running joke inside is that it should have been a thing from months ago. And when you ask someone inside, they go, oh, very soon, the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And that's been a thing for months. So really and truly, we do expect it by the end of 2026.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, is it actually just rumors, or is it actually going to happen?
We've already had hash resin, like traditional Moroccan stuff. We've already had that on prescription or medical.
Right, okay,
and
I didn't know that, actually.
Yes, that's been a thing, and you could have ordered it.
And you can vape that in your dry herb vape. I guess something like a Solo is perfect for vaping.
Absolutely perfect.
Resins, also a Sapphire Plus with the little dosing capsule.
That's it, George. And those same companies that released those said the hash resin is coming. And it has been approved by the body that approves these kind of things.
Well, I know that you can get now the little cartridges, and
yes, I've had some as well.
They come with live resin.
And rosin as well, absolutely.
If you could just get that stuff, you know, the refill liquid, you can dab that.
Yes.
So, you know, provided you can get that without the cartridge, I guess you could always open up the cartridge and dab it in that way. The question is, would that be legal on prescription? It's a whole interesting ball game. Like, every time I log into my clinic to look at what's available, the clinic platform is upgraded. There's more and more new products on there.
Yeah.
They're making it easier and easier for people to...
Prices seem to be getting better.
Exactly, yeah. Prices, the clinic I'm with now, you don't even pay a monthly or annual subscription. You just pay £5 with every delivery of medicine. So that means for somebody like me, I'm not someone who will get a prescription every month. So it makes way more sense for me, I probably only get like 4 or 5 prescriptions a year. So that's kind of cutting my subscription in half or more.
Yeah.
So it is becoming really, really affordable, you know, almost to the point where you're like, hey, obviously we want it on the NHS, but, you know, for the time being, the price is very affordable for most people.
I couldn't echo what you said more, George. Absolutely agree with you there. Absolutely.
Fantastic stuff. So there you go. I mean, maybe you'll even be able to use all these Puffco devices on prescription. Maybe the clinics will even have them in their online platforms. But yeah, it is a lovely little thing. And these colors are just fantastic. So look.
Beautiful.
How perfectly it fits in
Yeah.
there. Very nice. There's something about having everything matching that is just very pleasing, isn't it?
It's a very nice addition from Puffco. And George, just to touch on that last point about medical, I do know of some patients, I'm not sure if this is 100% legal, but I do know they press their own medical and then they just dab it. You know, that's also another thing you can do.
That's interesting.
Yes, absolutely.
A bit of a grey area there, I suppose.
Yeah, but then again, a lot of it is a grey area. We're not advising anything, but it's just some people I know that do that.
Yeah, let us know what you think about this. Do you think dabbing should be available on prescription? Is it something that would be helpful? I know when I speak to people who have pain conditions, they say dabbing is a vital part of their pain relief regime.
I mean, there's someone that we know ourselves, example Clark, even over 10 years ago, concentrates were something that were affecting him really well because you need a high dose quickly to relieve of your pain.
Absolutely.
And at the time, you didn't even know the source where it came from, how clean it was, things like that. So this would be incredible if it actually came to medical.
Just for the safety of it for patients is very, very important.
And what better products to dab with, George?
Totally. I mean, it's absolutely the best. We often get asked, why don't you stock other products?
Not going to say the companies, but yes, we do get asked a lot why, and because these are the best.
Yeah, there is really no comparison. We're not, you know, of course, we are independent from Puffco. We don't have any...
They don't sponsor us.
Yeah, we don't have any kind of strict agreement with them or anything. We could stock any other dabbing products that are out there. My approach to this is I'd rather present the best products to our customers. It's kind of like a seal of approval when we take on a product. And I don't think there's anything out there that comes close to the Puffco range in terms of the quality of build, the experience you get, and the kind of the innovation that they're coming out with. Let me know if I'm wrong.
I mean, George, I've used over a dozen of different dabbing devices, and the 3D XL is absolutely unrivaled. No one can touch it. But again, let us know in the comments if you do think there's a better device. Let us know what you think of this new color. I absolutely love it. And give us a like if you enjoyed the video. As always, we've been Vapefiend. Peace out.
Take it easy.